How to change blog post URL format on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the formatting of a URL for the blog post. So we're going to head over Squarespace and we're going to head over also to the Camp dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to choose the website that we are going to operate with and click on go to website. Now, we are going to wait for the editor to load up. This is going to be the control panel of the website. So it is not going to be the website editor, but the control panel, or you can consider it as a dashboard. Now, what can we do is going to be on the website and make sure that we have set up maybe the blogs from the pages and etc. As you can see here, I haven't added a blog yet. And to be able to add a blog, you're going to click on the plus. Or the main navigation plus button. We're going to find from here blog like that. You're going to add it from here. But in my case, I haven't added it yet. So I'm going to skip this part. I'm going to be back and I'm going to scroll down until I see the gear icon, which is going to be the settings. We're going to be on the website like that, or the general settings of the website. We're going to scroll down until we are going to see blog preferences like that on the website, general settings, blog preferences. Click on that and you're going to see the post URL format. So you can create a standard URL format or standard URL structure for blog posts, product, and events. As you can see, it is going to give you here a specific, let's say here, example. Now, if you want to see more or some details about how you can work with it, you can go ahead and click on the button or the interrogation button, as you can see. So you're going to find that the formatting is going to be popping up right there. This field accepts variables. Type 1 of the codes below to activate a variable. The percentage Y is going to be the numeric year your post was created on. The percentage M, the numeric month your post was created on. The D is going to represent the day of the month, and the T is going to be the title of the post, normalized for URL. So, as you can see, it is going to be accepting variables. So you can go ahead and have the variable like that. You can go ahead and put M to activate this, or the let's say here the specific date and time. D, for example, for the day. As you can see, it is going to activate here the day. You're going to focus on this, only focus for this. So we are going to have here let's say the M or Y for the year, and etc. Now for the T, it is going to represent the title. So let's say that I'm going to delete that, and it is going to be, for example, having not a variable, but basically we are going to have blog, for example, like that, and it is going to be something. So if you're going to save it like that, it is going to save, and here it is going to attribute the numbers randomly. Or for example, you can go ahead and have here the variable pasted like that, blog, for example, the new post, or you can go ahead and have the day or the month. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and if you find this video helpful, you can go ahead and set up your own blog post just like that by ignoring the percentage letter. Not ignore it completely, but replace it with something, not a variable maybe. And you're going to head over your website and add a blog just like that. So you are going to add your first blog from here, select the type of the section or the page, name it a blog, for example, just like that, and boom. You can manage your blog post from the left side of the screen, the post itself from the middle, and here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.